Okay, guys, coming to motivation and leadership. A second, that is in the waiting room. Yeah, coming to motivation and leadership. You want me to type in the chat box or how it is? Type कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको easy रहे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the first answer that I've taught you is meaning and definition of motivation. Okay. फिर उसके बाद में we have completed features. We have also completed ways of motivating employees at workplace. Okay. Then we have completed 10 tips. All the recorded lectures are there in the Google Classroom. Okay. Then importance of motivation. 1 minute. I hope it is visible, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Importance of motivation is done. Then we have completed types of motivation, positive, negative, achievement, growth, power, and social motivation. That is done. Okay. Then we have started with tools and techniques, okay, of motivating employees. 1 minute, students. Yeah. Okay. Uh, economic motivation tools, higher income, psychological motivation tools, organizational motivating tools, method of motivating to employees. We've done that. Okay, then 1 minute, guys. Yeah. Okay, then next is we started with theories of motivation. उसमें हमारा theory Z हो गया है. That was propounded by William Auki. We've also completed limitations of theory Z. फिर उसके बाद में equity theory is also done. Okay. In detail, the meaning of equity theory. We have seen responses to equity and inequity. मतलब equity रहेगा तो एम्प्लॉइज कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं और इनइक्विटी रहेगा तो कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ द थ्योरी इज आल्सो डन and its implications for business managers is also done. Okay. Evaluation. Okay. Now, two theories are remaining. Okay. Two theories are remaining. Actually, three. Okay. But however, one theory is very small, just one paragraph. महक नोट डाउन करोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
एक तो है ब्रूम्स एक्सपेक्टेंसी थ्योरी. पता नहीं टाइप क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. ब्रूम्स एक्सपेक्टेंसी थ्योरी. ओके. एंड सेकंड है एक सेकंड बैलेंस थ्योरी. BALANCE बैलेंस थ्योरी. थर्ड वन जो कि सिर्फ वन पैराग्राफ का है, दैट इज 4 ड्राइव मॉडल. Okay, 4 drive model. Mehak, you can refer to the topic which is there in the bracket. Chat box में आप check कर सकते हो. Please check the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so खाली वही note down करो. फिर एक सेकेंड. हाँ, ये वाला मैंने ना स्टूडेंट्स मोटिवेशन एंड लीडरशिप में क्या किया है. Some answers I have taken from Vipul's and some answers I have taken from Shade publication. Okay. So East and West practices. Okay. East versus West practices. I hope you remember ये बहुत lengthy answer था, है ना? So East and West practices is done. Then motivating Indian workforce. You remember it is how difficult to motivate the Indian workers. And what can be done to particularly motivate workers or in India. We've done that. Okay. I hope you all are noting down, students. या तो at least screenshot to be ले लेना. Okay. All right, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, work-life balance is done. 6 components of work-life balance is done. Okay. Then what are the benefits of work-life balance? Okay, that is also done. Then we started with leadership part. Okay, जहाँ पे हमने leadership styles. Okay, that is completed. Okay, we actually started with qualities of a good leader. Okay, that was done. We have also seen cognitive qualities. Okay, apart from the other qualities, there are certain cognitive qualities which are essential in a leader. That is done. Leadership motives is done. Okay, which includes power motive, drive motive, strong work ethics, and tenacity. Okay, so that is done. Leadership styles में we have completed Kurt Lewin का 4 major styles. Okay, I'm typing, students, 1 minute. So, sorry, Kurt Lewin's 3 leadership styles. Okay, and then after that we have completed all the major styles of leadership. Okay, वो टाइप एरर हो गया, ऑफ है, ऑफ. Okay. Then we have completed transactional and transformational leader. Okay. अच्छा, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में है ना, there is a distinguish between transactional and transformational leader. Okay, I'll just I think we will do that also if we get time. So difference between transaction and transformational leader. Okay, leadership style. तो ये महक आप नोट डाउन कर लो. I put up in the bracket. Okay.
Yes,
will
ma'am.
discuss. Okay, beta. We will discuss theories related to trait, behavior, and path goal. Again, हाँ, मैं ये भी थोड़ा नोट डाउन कर लो. These 3 small theories, very small theories. Okay, जो ब्रैकेट में है स्टूडेंट, that is pending, and I'm asking Mehak to note down. So because अभी ये सेशन ओवर हो जाएगा तो ये चैट बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टाइम वो दिखाई नहीं देगा ये. Okay, so that's why strategic leader is done. Just a moment. Strategic leadership is done. Unka qualities is also done. Charismatic leadership is also done. Okay. Key qualities of charismatic leaders is also done. Okay. Now, types of, ये pending है तो ये लिख लेते हैं. Types of charismatic leaders. Okay, so Mehak will note down this types of charismatic leaders. Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the last chapter. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, उसमें characteristics, percentage theory, characteristics of creative leader, class ये वाला note down कर लो. महक, although you are noting down, मैं यहाँ पे type भी कर रही हूँ. Creative leader. Okay, Mehak, just note down this last answer. That's it. Okay. Students, all right? Yeah. How many questions pending, beta?
Ma'am, 7.
Okay. Acha, now guys, listen to me very carefully. Amongst the 7 questions, few are theory-based questions, okay? Which I think I will not do reading and all. In one lecture, I will explain you, okay? Because reading के अभी अपने पास time nahi hai. So all right, so I'll explain you the answers. I'll complete the 7 questions. अभी आप लोग okay self reading में क्या करोगे? Now what is required? I am not going to explain you the stories of great leaders. If you remember, I asked you that we will keep up PowerPoint presentations and we will do the discussion, but I don't think so we have that much time. So the last chapter, that is great and creative leaders, ये particular chapter का I am going to send you, what do you say, PDF notes, and you can read, okay, how Bill Gates turned out to be a leader, how Mark Zuckerberg, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, okay, तो आपको उसका खाली बस read करना है. All right, guys. Okay. Acha, now Mehak, just note down this also. लीडरशिप रोल्स आप लोग को याद है लास्ट ईयर हमने ये स्टडी किया था, फिगर हेड, स्पोक्स पर्सन, याद है, नेगोशिएटर, entrepreneur. Yes, the same answer. You want, you can refer the last year textbook, no problem. Okay, leadership roles. Okay, that is one that is remaining, and 2 answers: self leadership and online leadership. That's it. सेल्फ लीडरशिप एंड ऑनलाइन लीडरशिप. ये चाहिए तो मैं टाइप कर देती हूँ, लीडरशिप रोल्स, सेल्फ लीडरशिप एंड ऑनलाइन लीडरशिप. On this note, your syllabus for motivation and leadership will get over. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो हम लोग का मोटिवेशन एंड लीडरशिप में बहुत तो पेंडिंग नहीं है. आई होप सितंबर एंड तक हो जाए, बिफोर रिविजन्स हो जाए. नाउ can we also, I know you all are tired and 4th lecture and all, but can you please bear with me and very quickly let's complete recruitment and selection analysis also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So concept of recruitment, I hope you remember, we have done this in detail. Objectives of recruitment, please check the chat box. Okay. Then job analysis is done, which includes job description and job specification. Okay. And उसके बाद में methods of job analysis is also done, which includes observation method, interview method, questionnaire, checklist. Okay, वो वाला answer that is done. 1 minute. Then उसके बाद में job design is done. Okay. And उसमें हमने study किया था ना modern techniques of job design. You remember? Very long back. Which includes job rotation, job enrichment, है ना, job enlargement, उसके सारे disadvantages, advantages सब complete हुआ है. Please, वो modern techniques of job design is a very, very, very important question in your exam. Okay, from examination point of view. Okay, इसमें क्या क्या हमने complete किया है? Job rotation, job enlargement, okay, job enrichment. Guys, I hope you all are noting down. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
Yeah, okay. फिर इसके बाद में हमने एक और हाँ, वर्क सिंप्लीफिकेशन. सॉरी, आई फॉरगॉट दैट. वर्क सिंप्लीफिकेशन. After that, we have completed factors affecting job design. This was again important question that we have already completed. उसके बाद में please note down this question. Contemporary issues in job design. I have done that also. टेलीकम्यूटिंग डिफिकल्ट होता है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम डिफिकल्ट होता है, जॉब शेयरिंग डिफिकल्ट होता है, flexible working hours can pose issues to organization, right? So that answer is done. Now moving on to the next one, next question. Okay, Mehak, just note down this particular question, that is internal and external sources of recruitment. Internal and external sources,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, of recruitment. This is pending. Okay. Again, I'm not going to teach you with the reading the answers. Okay, I'll teach you by discussing the head pointers. Okay. After that, we have completed selection, meaning definition वगैरह हुआ है. उसके बाद में process, which is a very lengthy answer. Process of selection is done. Okay, it's a very lengthy answer. Please read it carefully. Okay, process of selection के बाद में 1 minute. Yeah. We have also completed types of interviews. Okay. Fill guidelines to an interviewer and interviewee. दोनों का हमने गाइडलाइंस कंप्लीट किया है. ओके, मतलब इंटरव्यू जो कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं उसे कौन सी चीजें याद रखनी है और इंटरव्यूई को कौन सी चीजें याद रखनी है. Then types of selection test is done. This is very important question as far as your examination is concerned. Okay. And then we started with induction, which is already done. Induction में हमारा complete हुआ है. Formal and informal induction is done. Okay. Then ways to make the induction effective is also done. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. ये हो गया था. उसके बाद में हमने सोशलाइजेशन स्टार्ट किया. दैट आई विल डू इट. सो अभी मैं लिख के, इसलिए ये हो गया ऐसे काउंट क्यों कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि अभी वो चालू है, वो आंसर है ना. सो सोशलाइजेशन एंड टाइप्स, ओके, ये दोनों हो गया है. ऐसे अज्यूम करो क्योंकि अभी हम लोग वही आंसर कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो now Mehak, you note down phases of socialization. Okay. And last unit जिसमें मेरा क्या क्या पेंडिंग है, तो वो है ग्रुप डिस्कशन. हाँ, लास्ट यूनिट आप ऐसे लिख दीजिए, लास्ट यूनिट पेंडिंग, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पेंडिंग. ओके, ऑलराइट गाइस, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में टोटल कितने क्वेश्चंस हैं आरएनएस इसमें, रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन?
Ma'am, 3.
हाउ मेनी, सॉरी?
3.
3 questions. Okay. Actually not 3 because my last unit entire is pending. So there will be 4 to 5 questions here also which I have to discuss. Okay. So I think we are done with the analysis part. That आपका क्या क्या प्रिपेयर हो चुका है और क्या प्रिपेयर करना बाकी है. लास्ट यूनिट में डिटेल में पढ़ाना चाहूंगी बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग यूनिट विच इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन सॉफ्ट स्किल्स एंड एथिकेट्स. आपका जो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स भी हुआ है उसके अंदर, ओके, तो आप काफी कुछ रिलेट कर पाओगे. ओके, now let us continue the answer that we have started in the last session. We still have time. Okay, so let us complete that. अरे ये हो गया ना, फीचर्स ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो डन. आई होप यू रिमेम्बर लास्ट सेशन में हमने कंप्लीट किया है. Inculcates basic discipline, helps to control human behavior. Okay, it will, socialization will be very rapid if there is unanimous, सबका अगर सेम टीचिंग है, अगर आपकी टीचर भी वही पढ़ाती है जो पेरेंट्स पढ़ाते हैं, जो रिलीजियस लीडर पढ़ाता है, तो ये सोशलाइजेशन प्रोसेस वुड बी वेरी फास्ट. Okay, then socialization is a continuous process. Uske baad, I think now we can start with types of socialization. Just 1 second, I'm going to share the screen. अच्छा, कौन रीड करने वाला है मेरे को वो बताओ. मैं रीड करोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं आपको है ना, मैं ये ग्रुप में डालती हूँ और आपको को होस्ट बनाती हूँ, तो आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर लेना. ओके, मैं अभी मेल में डालूंगी ना, बहुत टाइम जाएगा फिर वो.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm making you co-host so you can share the screen. I hope you know how to share the screen. There's a screen share
Yes,
button
ma'am.
in the center. Okay, so I'm sending in the group so that you get the answer from there. Please refer to that answer from the group. Or can I have your number? Can you send me hi, Mehak? I think I have your number.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to find, but can you send me hi, please? There's so many Mehak in my list. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. I'm making you the host. 1 second. A minute, you are the host now. You can share the screen.
Ma'am, is my screen is visible?
Yes, yes, your screen is visible now.
Ma'am, this one, na?
Yeah, types of socialization.
Types of socialization. Primary socialization. It refers to socialization of the infant in the primary stages of his life. It is a process by which the infant learns language and cognitive skills, internationalize norms and values. The infant learns the ways of given grouping and is moduled into an effective social participant of that group. The norms of the society become a part of the personality of the individual. The child does not have a sense of wrong and right. By direct and indirect observation and experience, he gradually learns the norms relating to the wrong and right things. The primary socialization takes place in the family.
I think if you are able to recollect, last year in foundation course part 2, we have studied agents of socialization. वहां पे भी हमने primary socialization study किया था, which means that a child, an infant is when it's born. From that particular time, he or she is spending most of the time with the family members. Okay. सो फैमिली में जो करेक्ट है या रॉन्ग है ना, जो फैमिली मानती है, सिमिलरली वो पर्सन, वो चाइल्ड भी राइट या रॉन्ग वैसे ही मानता है. ओके, थ्रू द ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, so I think the primary source of socialization is a family member, and your personality is 90% of what you are observing, learning, and experiencing from your family. Okay, your values, your ethics, okay, all of that is taught to you in your family. झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, be honest, do hard working, okay, have discipline, a time को you learn to respect time. All these things are being taught to us in the family. In fact, we start speaking, okay, our language skills is also influenced from our family members. अभी वो जो हम सीखते हैं ना नॉर्मल हिंदी, या फिर हम मराठी बोलते हैं या पंजाबी बोलते हैं या इंग्लिश, या आपकी फैमिली में जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, वहां से आप ये सीखते हो. ओके, सो that is your primary socialization. I move on to the second one, which is secondary socialization. I hope there is no difficulty in primary socialization.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we move on to the second one, which is secondary socialization. Okay, Mehak.
This process is seen at work outside the immediate family in the peer group. The growing child learns very important lessons in the social conduct from his peers. He also learns lessons in the school, hence socialization continues beyond and outside the family environment. Secondary socialization generally refers to the social training received by the child in institutional or formal settings and continues throughout the rest of his life.
I think the secondary socialization, those sources which are, you know, from where the child is interacting the most, can be any institute or can be any formal organizational setting which is, influencing you. For example, schools, for example, colleges, for example, you're taking any training from certain coaching classes. तो ये सारा formal setting है ना? So this is the second source of socialization, and you learn a lot from there. I think more credit goes to your school because you spend a very long time of your life in school as compared to that in college. So आप school में ज़्यादा सीखते हो. But I hope you know this, that बहुत सारे लोग आपको पूछते हैं कौन से स्कूल से हो. Okay, just to get an background कि आपका learning कहाँ से आया है. Okay, so your school matters a lot because your peer group, okay, starts from there. वहां से आप ग्रुप फॉर्म करते हो, फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप बनता है, स्टडी ग्रुप बनता है ना? तो your school is the second source of socialization. Of course, your textbook is also saying that, आप एक organization को भी जहाँ पे आप काम करते हो, that also becomes your source of, socialization, secondary socialization. For instance, I am associated with SNGC from last 8 years. This is my 8th year working with them. तो यहाँ का जो कल्चर है, यहाँ की जो कोर कल्चर है, यहाँ के जो बिलीफ है, ये कहीं ना कहीं मैंने भी अडेप्ट कर लिया है. ओके, श्री नारायण गुरु's teaching, okay, is also is being followed by most of the faculty members, considering that education is very important, and a small change in a positive way can definitely bring a large change. And let me tell you, students, and I don't want to compare and take the names of any colleges, but we are very dedicatedly teaching you one line from the textbook. Okay, lectures are happening daily. Okay, there are so many students out there who are complaining that their colleges are canceling the lectures on daily basis. Just 1 or 2 session is happening. Just 1 session is happening. Few students have been telling me कि lecture ही नहीं होता उनके college में, especially after this online. But we are very dedicated and committed. I'm not telling you about teachers. I'm saying this is the institution's culture. This is a secondary source of socialization. Okay, which is instilling us to, be more committed to the work and importantly serve the student. Okay, so this secondary socialization is the place, the formal atmosphere where you spend a lot of time. I hope there is no difficulty here.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So we move on to the next one, that is adult socialization, the next point.
In the adult socialization, actors enter roles, for example, becoming an employee, a husband or wife, for which primary and secondary socialization may not have prepared them fully. Adult socialization teaches people to take on new duties. The aim of adult socialization is to bring change in the views of the individual. Adult socialization is more likely to change overt behavior, whereas child socialization molds basic values.
Yeah, I think the primary socialization is teaching you values and beliefs and ethics लेकिन एडल्ट सोशलाइजेशन में यू आर परफॉर्मिंग अ सर्टेन कैरेक्टर व्हिच मे बी अगेंस्ट योर पर्सपेक्टिव. आप शायद बिलीव नहीं करते हो लेकिन आपको करना पड़ रहा है. ओके, that is adult socialization. For instance, an actor who is performing the role of an employee or a husband or a wife, okay, तो वो है नहीं वो अपने लाइफ में वो, बट ही इज परफॉर्मिंग दैट रोल. इज अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अडल्ट सोशलाइजेशन. मैं आपको और एक एग्जाम्पल देना चाहूंगी. फॉर इंस्टेंस, यू आर इन अ फैमिली गैदरिंग. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आपके कम्युनिटी के काफी सारे लोग हैं, और वहां पे डाउरी रिलेटेड बात हो रहा है, और सबके सब यूनोमिनसली और कुछ सर्टेन बिलीफ रखते हैं. आप अगेंस्ट हो, ओके, लेकिन क्या आप वहां पे बोलोगे? आप अपने फैमिली में भले बोलोगे, पेरेंट्स को या फिर आपके सिबलिंग को या अपने फ्रेंड्स को या कजिन्स को, एंड दिस इज नॉट, आई डोंट बिलीव इन दिस. बट जब एक लार्ज कम्युनिटी में आप हो तो आप क्या करते हो? यू ब्रिंग दैट एक्सेप्टेंस. यू आर लाइक, यू डू नॉट शो योर disapproval amongst all of them, because that is adult socialization. You know, you can't change the thinking of 100 people, but what you can do is you can change yourself. Okay, there is a greater possibility and higher success rate to change yourself than to change others. You can't change them. Okay, तो एडल्ट सोशलाइजेशन, समटाइम्स हमको पता है कि हमारे आसपास में गलत हो रहा है, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू नो यू शुड नॉट स्पीक आउट. मैं तो चाहूंगी कि कोई भी बच्चा इंडिफरेंट ना रहे. प्लीज लर्न टू रेज योर वॉइस wherever required, but in most places we accept certain things which we don't intend to because that is not our perspective, but that is called as adult socialization. Acceptance because of others are doing it, okay, or others are following it. Cigarette smoking to be only done in the smoking zone. Okay, अभी आपको पता है कि आपके डेस्क पे और एम्प्लॉय का डेस्क में बहुत बहुत ज्यादा दूरी है, फिर भी क्योंकि वो रूल है एंड अदर्स आर फॉलोइंग इट एंड अदर्स आर इंसिस्टिंग यू टू फॉलो इट, तो आपको बिल्कुल कोशिश करनी चाहिए नॉट टू स्मोक देयर एंड गो टू द स्मोकिंग जोन. Okay, again a classic example of adult socialization where you have to behave mature and you have to accept certain rules. You cannot fight कि मैं तो यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, आप लोग इतना दूर है, मेरे स्मोक से थोड़ी तुमको कुछ होगा. नहीं, you can't do that. That is childish behavior. Okay, so adult socialization puts you into a role where you have to bring acceptance. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anticipatory socialization. All right.
Anticipatory socialization refers to a process by which an individual learns the culture of a group with the anticipation of joining that group. As an individual learns the proper beliefs, values, and norms of the status or group to which he aspires, he is learning how to act in his new role.
हाँ, अभी लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको कॉलेज में कौन लोग मिलने वाले हैं. दिस अ न्यू प्लेस. You might have done your HSC in or junior college in some other college and now you are coming to here. तो फिर एक एंटिसिपेटरी, पहले से आप एक थोड़ा सा दिमाग में रखते हो ना जो कि मैं कॉलेज में जाके ऐसे ग्रुप बनाऊंगा या ऐसे ग्रुप बनाऊंगी कि आई विल try to be in a group which is most famous and popular, or I try to be in a group which is studious. Okay, so anticipatory matlab now you are not doing anything but you are anticipating कि ऐसा होगा तो मैं ऐसे करूंगी. For example, when I shifted to Chembur in 2006, okay, I have joined the junior college in Chembur, and मैं पहले से ऐसे assume कर रही थी, पता है यहाँ के कैसे, अगर यहाँ पे मेरे को किसी ने रैगिंग किया तो मैं ना ये करूंगी, मैं ना प्रिंसिपल के पास जाऊंगी. That is anticipatory socialization, wherein you start certain beliefs that I am going to enact in this manner if this particular group is going to behave like this. So anticipation is you can say fictional क्योंकि अभी वो actually हुआ नहीं है. You are just assuming things. Okay, so that is anticipatory. And last one is re-socialization. Let us complete that. We have 2 minutes. Okay.
Resocialization refers to the process of discarding former behavior patterns and accepting new as part of transition in one's life. Such resocialization takes place mostly when a social role is radically changed. For example, rehabilitation of a stranger totally changes his life.
Yeah, I think re-socialization is completely going to change the entire base of your previous and older beliefs. Very simple example of re-socialization is मैं कुछ चीजों को बड़े strongly मानती थी, फिर slowly and steadily with the changing time मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि नहीं, ये belief गलत है, इसके ऊपर rework करना चाहिए, ये correct नहीं है, ऐसा भी सोचा जा सकता है. So re-socialization is correcting your previous belief and trying to enter into the new behavioral pattern or accepting the new pattern. That is re-socialization. Okay. Any difficulty, students? Did we go fast? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for your confirmation. I will take some extra sessions to complete RNS. RNS थोड़ा pending है. Okay. And MNL and SN हो जाएगा. Okay, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That note, we can end the session here. I'm so sorry, मैं आपको बहुत stretch किया आज बहुत सारे lectures में, but the time is very less and we have to complete the syllabus. So please cooperate, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I think Mehak can end the session. She is the host, and once she ends the session, it will stop. Okay, Mehak.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
You're
you, ma'am.
welcome.
Thank you,
You're
ma'am.
welcome.